Ahoy mates, and welcome to the Teach Like a Pirate book study. I'm Captain Jennifer, and I'm going to be your tour guide on our book study. And today the purpose of this video is just to review a couple of things and make sure that everyone's able to access and work within Google Classroom. First thing that you should have done is you should have received an email from Amazon, which you can use to download the book. Directions for getting the book downloaded into the Kindle app are included in the email that I sent that has the link to Google Classroom and to this video. And so you should have that information. In that email as well is the code for accessing Google Classroom for our book study. And what I'm going to do is share my screen and go to that information for you. And so when I click on the code for accessing Google Classroom is 32, V as in Victor, T as in Tom, Y as in Yo-Yo, B as in Boy, I as in Igloo. That should get you into Google Classroom. The web address to get there is classroom.google.com. And when you get there, you click Join. You want to select Teacher because you're a teacher. Even though you are a student in this book study, you are a teacher, and that allows you to create classrooms of your own. So what I have done is I added one of my kids as a student in my class, and she is logged in to the Teach Like a Pirate book study. This is what the home page would look like. She has multiple classes that her teachers have created. This is the one that I added to her to the Teach Like a Pirate book study. When you log in and you get to the Google Classroom, this is what it'll look like. Over here on the left, you can use these buttons to sort by topic. The first topic to start with is the introduction. And in the introduction, I have placed this learning treasure map. And this learning treasure map has some information for you, and it does have a timeline. But remember, this book study is not graded. You can work on your own pace. The timeline is really just some guidance that you could use as you're able to complete the book study before the January 16th in-service. If you prefer to do it all at once or later than that, that's fine too. I will try to post the questions for each section the week before the actual date, at least the week before the actual date on here, as I'm working through the book and reading it currently and haven't completed the whole book at the time of this video. So that is there for your information. Remember, it's all about learning and having fun. I did want to talk a little bit about about Google Classroom. I want to go back to as a student here. And within Google Classroom, if I go to part 1, I do have for each part or each section, I have posted some directions and questions for you to answer. When you are ready, you can, on some of them, you can just click here and type your answer. You can add a comment or response to other people's responses as well to create a discussion. On some of them, like the second one, you'll see that it doesn't say type your answer. And on this one, what you have to do is click on it or click open. And on this particular type, you click create, and you're going to create a Google Doc. That's where you can type your answer. So this type is a private response. The other one, where you just type in your answer, will be something that's public, so that other, and when I say public, I just mean other people that are participating in the book study. And I think we have about 12 teachers that have signed up. They will be able to click and they will be able to read your responses and then also comment, I believe, and as well, because I made those public. So I will include several different types of responses on the book study just to help you to understand some different things you can do with Google Classroom. If at any time you have any questions, be sure to ask. Again, this is a learning experience, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'm looking forward to participating with you and working through it. Have a great day.